So what's up guys, welcome to Python tutorial, and in this class we will be studying about the list. Okay, so when it comes to the list is a collection which is ordered and changeable. Okay, so when it comes to the storing items or data inside of a list, you can list can give you guarantee that all these items will be stored in order, and whenever next time you will be accessing those items will be stored inside of that list in a particular order only. Okay, and in Python lists are written with the square bracket, and let's see how to do that. I'll be opening Python. Okay, I will press Alt plus F to access this file. I will click on new file, and again I will press Alt plus F, and I will say save as, and now I'll be saving my file on the desktop with the name as list.py. Okay, so now I'll be saving my file, and inside of this I will be writing my code. So if you are like making use of the list, first of all, let's just you have to define the variable. I will say list1. You cannot make use of the term list because this is a predefined word inside of the Python. Or let me just take some other variable. I will say data1, then make use of the equal to sign, then type out this square bracket, and inside of that I will make use of double quotes, then single quote, double quotes, and single quotes. Okay, so whatever item that you want to pass, you should be passing that inside of this double quotes, and that data should be separated out with the single quote. Okay, so now I have created a list which has Jan, Feb, and March, which is January, February, March. I have passed three items, and now if suppose I want to print out these three items, then I will be saying print, and I will give the name of a variable which is data1. Now I will be saving this with control plus es, and I will again then press alt F to, okay, I will now say alt R to run this, and I'll be clicking on this run module, and now as can be seen I'm getting this output Jan, Feb, and March inside of our Python shell. Okay, so let me just keep this side by side so that we can see the output. Okay, so now what I'll do is, if I want to access this only first element, which is January, then what I'll do is I will come down below and I will say print, and data1, then I will again make use of the square bracket, and I will make use of this 0 over here. Okay, so now when it comes to the list, first item is at position or index 0, then the second item is at index 1, and the third item is at index 2. Okay, so always make sure that list starts from 0 position. Okay, so now I will be commenting out this line. Okay, and now I will save this with control plus S. I will say control plus R, and now I'll be running this. Okay, so now as can be seen I'm getting the first item, which is Jan, and if I want to access this third item, then I will be saying data, and index is 2. Okay, and if I'm giving the index as 1, I'll be able to refer this item. I will say control plus S, then I will be running this, and now I'm getting this output as a March, which is the third element. Okay, so now if suppose let me just add let me add one more over here. Okay, so now I have added this many elements. If suppose I want to access this last element, then I will be saying -1. Okay, so when it comes to the -1, this last element could be accessed with this. If I'm just saving this, and if I'm now running this code, then I will be able to refer this last element, which is May, and if I'm saying -2, then I'll be able to refer this second last element, which is April. Okay, so if I'm saving this with control plus S, and if I'm just running this code over again, then I'm getting this output. Okay, so this is how you can refer these elements. Now if suppose I want to access the elements from this one position to this last position, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I want to access from 1 to 4 only, then I will be saying 1, then 2 colons, and 4. I'm saving this. I'm doing Alt R, and I will get this output. Okay, so now I'm getting February, March and April. Now if I want to get the data from 1 to 3, I will be saving this. I will get this, and let's see what we are getting. Okay, so I'm getting the February and March. Okay, so this is how you can access the specific items. Now again I will be commenting out this line, and let me just copy this. Okay, I will copy this, paste this over again, and now if suppose I'm just doing I'm removing first number, and if I'm just saying colon 3, then all everything will be printed from the beginning till the third element. Okay, now if I'm just saving this and running this code, as can be seen, I'm getting January, February and March from the first, second and the third. Okay, so first 3 elements will be printed. And now if suppose I am saying something like data 1, and if I'm saying 2 and the colons, then everything after this second element will be posted printed out. I'm saving this, running. Okay, so now it can be seen March, April and May, which is March, April and May. I'm getting this output. So this is how you can make use of them. Just make sure that you are getting these concepts of list. Okay, so now I'll be commenting this code as well. Okay, so now I will come down below, and now if suppose I want to change the value of the items inside of my list, then I can do that by targeting that particular element. Okay, so if suppose I am saying data 1, and if I want to change the element, the second element, then I will give the index as 1. Okay, so I will say data 1 equal to, and I will change this to Monday. Okay, I will save this, and I will come down below and I will say print, and now I will print the entire data 1. I will save this, Alt R, and I will execute the code. Okay, and now as can be seen, I am getting January, and instead of February I am getting Monday. Okay, so this is all because of that. Over here we have changed this change this value on the index 1 with this Monday. Okay, so we have specified the index and changed that value to Monday. Now what we will be doing is we will be printing out all the items that are there inside of our list. So I will be commenting this part and this part as well. Okay, so in order to print out the all the items of our list, we will be making use of the for loop. Okay, so we will say for, then I will say item in data 1, then 2 colons, then hit enter key. We will say print item. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this and I'm running this code, then we are getting this output, which is January, February, March, April, May. Okay, so over here what is happening is we are making use of the for loop. Okay, so we are saying for item in data 1. Data 1 is our list which got item January, February, March, April and May. We are saying items in data 1, we are printing out those items. Okay, so initially when this loop will be executing, initially it will be executing the first item, which is the January, which is inside of the list data 1, and after that this statement will be printed, and because this statement will be executed, and because of which we are getting this output as a January. And next time our next item is February, and because of which we are getting February over here. Okay, so next time when this loop will be running, we will be getting March, then again April, then again May. Okay, so this is how you can print out the elements or the data that is there inside of our list. Now if suppose I want to get the length, we will be looking about this concept of for loop in the future, but as of now, for your understanding, I have told you all how to print out the content of our list. So next we will see how to get the length of our list. I mean, if you want to find out how big is our list, then we will be making use of the len function. Okay, so lel, then make use of the parentheses, and inside of that you should be passing this our list. Okay, name of our list is data1. I will say data1, and I will save this, and I will run this thing, and now I'm getting number as 5. Okay, so 5 over here, the 5 indicates the number of the elements or the items inside of a list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. Okay, so this is how we can find the number of the elements or the items inside of our list. Okay, so now we will be looking at the append. Okay, so when it comes to the append is basically a function used to append or add something to the list. Okay, so now if I am making use of the append function over here, I'll be making use of this append function as I will say data1, which is a name of our app, name of our list, sorry, and then I will make use of the append, and inside of that I will be passing out the value. Okay, so now after May comes June. I will say June. I will save this. I will press Ctrl plus R, and I will run this, and okay, it is not getting printed. I don't know for what reason. Okay, so we have not given the print statement, and now I will say data1. I will save this, and I will execute the code. Okay, so now we are getting the list as January, February, March, April, May, and the June. Okay, so whenever we are making use of the append function over here, whatever that is put inside of this append function, that is appended at the end of the list. Okay, so June will be coming over here at the end of the list. So this is how you can make use of the append function, and there is also something known as a insert. We will be looking at how to make use the insert function right now. Okay, so now I will make use of the append, sorry, not append. Now I will make use of insert. Now I will be giving the name of our list, then I will say insert. Then when it comes to the insert function, it got two parameters. First is position and then the value. Okay, so now if suppose you want to insert something at the first position or the second position, then I'll be giving that position first, then I will give the value. Okay, so now I will say this is Tuesday. I will save this. I will run this code, and now let me just show you what is going on. Oops, we have forgotten to give the printout. Data1, I'm saving this, and now I'm running. Okay, so now I'm getting January, then I'm getting Tuesday. Okay, so on the second position I have added a Tuesday over here. I have sorry, yeah, this is the 0th position, this is the first position, and since I had specified as first index over here, because of which that item got added over here. But okay, so one thing you should be noting over here is that January is there, February is also there. Okay, so when it comes to the insert function is actually inserting in between. Okay, so now it can be seen value of February is not getting replaced, it is just pushing the value of February a little bit ahead, and over there it is adding this Tuesday. Okay, so this is the function or this is the role of the insert function, for where you just have to specify the index, and after that you have to specify the value. And now if suppose I want to insert something at the third position, and I'm just saving this, and I will say Ctrl plus R and execute this code. And now if I'm just pulling this a little bit above, I'm getting this as January, February, March, then I'm getting Tuesday over here. Okay, so we had specified the position as third, which is 0, 1, 2, and this is the third. Okay, so it is getting inserted after the third index. This is our third index, this is 0, this is first index, this is a second index, and after that it is inserting over here at the third index. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the insert. and now I will be commenting this part also. Let me just close this shell. Now since in just now few minutes back I have added this Tuesday, now if suppose I want to remove this Tuesday or whatever item that is added by me in the list, if suppose I want to remove that, then I will be making use of the remove function. Okay, so I'll specify the name of my list, then I will say remove, and I will be passing the name of the item which I want to remove. Okay, so I want to remove Tuesday from the list, and then I will say print and data 1. I will save this, alt R, run. We got one error over here. Okay, so that item is not there inside of the list. If I am just commenting this part and running my list, let me see whether that item is there. Okay, so that item is not there inside of my list, so because of which we cannot remove it. If suppose I want to remove the May from the list, then I can do that. I will say remove May, and now I will be printing this, run. Okay, so now as can be seen, May has been removed from the list. We have January, February, March and April. May is not there. Okay, so this is how you can make use of this remove function. And all these asterisks what you see, these are known as the comments, by the way, and this prevents the code from executing. Okay, so now I will comment this part, and next what I have is pop. Okay, so when it comes to the pop is just like remove, which removes the, so the only difference between the remove function and the pop function is that remove function can be used to remove almost any item. You can remove January, February, March, April, May, anything. But if I'm just saying data1 dot pop, and I'm just executing this, what pop function does is it just only removes the item that is at the end of the list. Okay, so currently at the end of our list is let's see who is there at the end of the list. That particular item will be removed. Run the shell. So now currently values in our list are January, February, March, April and the May. Okay, so as of now this statement is not getting executed, and because of which May is still there. Okay, and let me just show you. You people might get confused. I am adding June. I am adding June over here. I am commenting out this part. I'm saving this and I'm just running. Okay, and I am getting all these values up till June. Okay, now what I'll do is I will come over here, and I will give the printout, one more printout, just before popping. Okay, so first what it will do is it will print the entire list, then it will remove one element, then it will again print the list. Okay, so I am running this code over again, and now I am getting this list. Okay, so first it is printing all the list without applying the pop function, and this is the second list which is been printed after applying the pop function. This is before application of the pop function, and this is after application of the pop function. As can be seen, pop is removing the element at the end of the list. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the pop. I am commenting this code now. Okay, so now we will see how to delete items from our list. Okay, so now if suppose I want to delete the January, then what I'll do is I will go inside of my code and I will make use of the del, then I will say data1, and I will specify the index. Okay, so currently January is at the 0 index, so I will come over here and I will specify the 0 position, and let me just give the printout. Okay, so I will give the print out over here. I will say data 1. So basically this is the printout just before the deleting, and over again I will make use of the print. I will save this. So basically this will be printing the list before deleting, and this will be printing the list after deleting. Now I will run this. Okay, so as can be seen, before deleting January was there, and after that January is not there. Okay, so del function does the job of removing specific element. If I want to remove the element of the item at the fourth index, then I will be replacing that one with 4. I will save and run this. Okay, so now as can be seen, January, February, March, April, May, June. Then I'm getting the output as January, February, March, April. May is not there. Okay, so May was at the index of 4, so because of which it has been removed. Next, if suppose I want to delete the entire list, then I can do that as well. Okay, so what I will do is I will first of all I will comment this code. I will comment this entire code. Then I will come down below, and I will come down below and I will say delete data 1, and after that I will be printing the data 1, which is our list. I will save this. I will run, and as can be seen, data 1 is not defined. This we are getting this because we have deleted the data 1. Okay, so this is how you can delete the list if you don't want. Now we will see how to make use of the clear function. Okay, so whatever values we have inside of a list. Okay, so currently we are having this many items inside of a list. Now if suppose I want to remove all this or clear all these items from the list, then I will be making use of the clear function. I will say data 1, which is a name of our list. Whatever name that you are giving to your list, you should be defining that variable. Then you should say clear, and after that just apply the clear function and give the printout. Okay, print out of our list. I will save this and run. Okay, so now as can be seen, I am getting this square bracket. Currently we were getting the these many items were present inside of the square brackets. Okay, so as can be seen, square bracket is opening over here, square bracket is getting close over here, and inside of that we are getting some output. But currently we are just getting the square bracket because we have applied the clear function. Clear function basically does the work of clearing all the data. Okay, so this is what we have covered in the list. Thanks guys for watching. I think I have covered everything that is involved inside of a list. Okay, so keep watching guys, and thanks guys for watching.